Hello my friends. So if you are think why manifolds is Glock and what have inside, so now you will see it. This is manifold uh, for printer 1800, but every other manifold is same. So now we'll check it. It's very hard to open. This here have very strong plastic, so I think you can see it. This is blue channel. I'm opened every other, so this is blue channel, and there you have filter like this. Yeah, and when you are opened this filter, so in other side you have this hole, and inks are go to downside and go to printhead. So this is this manifold sometimes is Glock like same dampers and need to change, and other manifolds in other printers everything is same. So sometimes your printhead in downside is okay, but your manifold is blocked. So for perfect result you need to buy other manifolds. So friends, sometimes you just need to change manifold. I will show you other method to check your manifold is okay or is clogged. This is clogged manifold. So I will take a syringe. This is a distilled water. So now I will show you clogged manifold. So when you are take this here, I don't know, you can see, so maybe this is better. So when you are push it, when I syringe is hard little. I check this. I'm syringed, but I am push so much. It's not good. So I take it this other channel. Yeah. Look this. Look. I am push and can flush. It's hard. Look. So this printhead, so not printhead, this manifold, this channel is glogged. I will show you how have to be now. Now I'm here. Look, when I push it a little, in downside you can see distilled water is go easy. Yeah, with little press. So when I take this here and push little, not here, not this channel, and put here, and when I push in downside, ink is coming hard, but when I take it little hard, you have ink, but this is not good. So this channel is clogged. Maybe filter like this. Yeah, like this. There I have too much inks and it's clogged, and it's time to change. So this is clogged. When you push it, you need with slowly. When I push it, you have to take distilled water. It's easy. So when you are change just this, your print head will be okay. Your print head can take inks and you don't have a perfect nozzle check. So friends, thank you for watching. This is everything for this video now. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.